So what is the Google UX design course all about, you ask? Let me break it down. It's a program designed to take anyone, yes, even you, through the world of UX design from the ground up. And no previous experience required. Imagine starting with the basics. And by basics, I mean the real foundational stuff. And you'll dive deep into user empathy and explore how essential it is to create designs that aren't just pretty, but actually usable. And it's like building a house on solid ground. Soon you move to wireframing, which is a fancy term for sketching layouts. This is where your ideas start taking shape. Think of it as drawing the blueprint for a revolutionary app or website that might well change someone's life. Prototyping comes next. It's hands-on stuff, and you get to play with tools that bring your designs to life. It's not just theory. You practically create something tangible. Feels like you've gone from doodles to well-crafted designs, right? Let's talk about testing. Yes, this is where your inner scientist meets your creative side. You'll test what works and tweak what doesn't. Feedback is your best friend here. Never underestimate its power. People often ask me about the time commitment. Google suggests about 6 months if you give it 10 hours a week. It's substantial, but totally doable, even if you're balancing a hectic Portland life like mine. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, cost. It's a Coursera course, so you pay monthly approximately $39 a month. But here's the kicker. You're investing in skills that could skyrocket your career prospects. And, the course features instructors who are no strangers to the field. You'll hear from industry gurus who've walked the walk. It's like having direct access to maestros that you wouldn't typically meet. And pro tip, soak up their wisdom. Networking, anyone?
The course offers plenty of opportunities to connect with peers.
These are folks who may someday be colleagues in top-notch tech companies, or future collaborators in your own epic startup. Pain points, absolutely, like any course. Juggling time is one, especially if you've got a full-time gig. But hey, setting a disciplined schedule can be your game changer. Also, don't shy away from asking questions in the forums. Completing the course gives you a certificate that packs a punch. It's not a mere piece of paper, but a badge of honor, a testament to your 6-month-long deep dive into the UX universe. It's a key to new job opportunities. As a UX designer, you're not just designing interfaces, you're crafting experiences that resonate with users. It's a blend of art and science where you're the director of an ongoing movie that people interact with every day.